Thanks for visiting my About page on my website. As you know, my name is Donncha Hughes. I'm a business advisor, trainer, and mentor, and I work with startups and small business owners to make them more successful. You could summarize what I do into three things. Firstly, I work with clients of Leo, that's the local enterprise office, Enterprise Ireland, and other agencies on their behalf. The agencies want to help the companies to grow, and they'll ask me to address issues such as strategy, market research, marketing, sales, and financial projections with the business owner. So if you approach them requesting a mentor, he might be assigned to me. So the second thing then that I do is business training for the enterprise agencies. So again, local enterprise office in Galway and Mayo, Bio-Innovate program in AUIG, and various new frontiers programs all around the country. So a lot of the times what I'll be doing when you contact me is signposting you to other supports. And I deliver various training programs on pitching, negotiations, and business models, plus all the areas I mentioned earlier, from business plans to financial projections. And the third thing then, I do private consultancy work for clients. This is usually to write business plans, to undertake feasibility studies. So I'm an expert in all things startup and small business, particularly market validation and business strategy. And I'm great at both creating and reviewing business documents, such as business plans, financial projections, and tender responses. So I would consider that I'm very focused on the problems faced by both startups and small business owners. And again, I would see these in three major areas. So the first one is that they don't have someone who can understand every single aspect of the business and help them to create a roadmap or action plan for the business going forward, taking all of those elements of the business into account. And I've worked with hundreds of startups and small businesses across all sectors, so I can help with this. Secondly, then I would say that they're possibly not fully able to communicate the essence and potential of the business concept and the value proposition, whether that be for customers, investors, or other stakeholders. And then thirdly, they don't know what enterprise agency supports are available, and more importantly, if they do, they mightn't have direct experience of working with the agencies to successfully and efficiently apply for those supports. And again, I have lots of experience in doing that. So how I work is already addressed, but for the record, the approach is either group training, mentoring, and or consultancy, or a mixture of all these. And most recently, I've started to put my training workshops online. So to conclude, I'm happy to talk to any small business owner or startups who want to discuss the burning issue for their business. Personally, I relish the challenge of meeting new clients, of problem solving, putting plans in place, and then seeing clients succeed. But I try not to overpromise. If I can help you, I will give a proposal. And if I cannot, hopefully I'll be able to signpost you to another organisation that can help, possibly an enterprise agency or a program. So have a look around the website. Feel free to drop me an email or give me a call on my mobile. We can get the conversation started.